ORIVISION's KVM Fiber Optic Extender is a fiber-based extender, which is designed to extend uncompressed 4K at 30 Hz signal up to 300 meters, using multi-mode dual-core SFP, or 10 kilometers, using single-model 1-core SFP, over duplex fiber cables. Supports USB 2.0 external devices such as keyboards, mouse, USB flash drives, printers, scanners, etc. Support point-to-point transmission. Extend 4K signals up to 10 km over LC single-mode fiber optic cable. Transmission distance can be customized up to 80 km. It supports bi-directional audio microphone transmission. For example, audio can be transmitted through the transmitter to the receiver output, or the microphone can be transmitted through the receiver to the transmitter output. Plug and play. No extender driver is required. For best video transmission performance, we recommend using high-quality single-mode LC fiber optic cable.